Hi everyone, today we're making falafels with tahini. First things first, gotta soak this dried chickpeas for at least 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, the water is completely absorbed by the dried chickpeas double its size. Place it in a food processor and add the onions, garlic, coriander, parsley leaves, salt and pepper, cumin powder. Grind this in the food processor until you get a grainy texture. Transfer it to a bowl. Add the flour and baking powder. Incorporate this to complete the falafel mix. Grab a small amount of it. Turn it to a ball with your palms. And here's our falafel. It's time to fry these. Fry these until it's golden brown. For the tahini, just toast some sesame seeds on medium high heat until it's lightly colored. Turns out my blender is too big, so I'll be transferring it to a smaller blender. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then grind again until you get the paste-like texture. And here's your falafels with tahini. Thanks for watching.